Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're joining me today, it means you're a focused learner who's already looking ahead. You know that massive goals absolutely require exceptional preparation. Today, we're taking an incredibly deep dive into the core premise and the essential mindset you need to tackle the upcoming CUET 2026 exam. We aren't just looking at what to study, we're unpacking the whole underlying philosophy of exactly how to approach this monumental task, drawing directly from our foundational text. So get comfortable and let's decode this path to success together. Okay, let's dive right into this. Our source material opens with a very specific phrase, mastering the CUET 2026 strategy guide. I really want you to think about the specific vocabulary being used here, because it carries some profound weight. It literally doesn't say reading the guide. It doesn't say surviving the 2026 exam. It uses the word mastering, and it pairs that with a strategy guide. The author is immediately setting an incredibly high bar for us. They're signaling that your approach to this exam absolutely cannot be casual. It demands an intentional, authoritative mindset, literally from day one.
So here's our quick roadmap for today. First, the CUET 2026 challenge. Second, defining true strategy. Third, the path to mastering. Fourth, how to prepare effectively. And finally, your strategy guide awaits.
Section 1, the CUET 2026 challenge and the target year. Now, what's really interesting about this is the sheer psychological weight of that number, 2026. Setting a goal this far out in the future actually gives you a massive, unique advantage. A little fun fact from our data. Students who hit the top percentiles in competitive exams like this don't necessarily just study harder. They actually start mapping out their timeline up to 2 years in advance. It gives you the runway to actually build a solid, comprehensive foundation rather than just, panic cramming at the last minute. The source is telling us that the time to start visualizing that finish line is right now. You aren't just a student studying today. You're officially a candidate for 2026.
Section 2, defining true strategy and the required mindset.
So what exactly is a strategy? Well, it's definitely not just a to-do list. It is a meticulously devised plan of action designed to conquer a long-term goal, like the 2026 exam. By calling the source text a strategy guide, the implication is super clear. You need a purposeful long-term preparation method. This is the direct opposite of just directionless, chaotic effort. Because think about it. Without a strategy, you might be studying really hard, but you might not be studying right. A true strategy perfectly aligns your daily habits with that 2026 target.
So the crucial point here is how this ties into mastering. Mastering means achieving complete command and expertise. It means elevating your preparation far, far beyond simply passing or just getting an average score. It totally transforms your daily routine. Instead of passively reading a chapter and just hoping it sticks, mastering means you're actively testing yourself, breaking down concepts until you could literally teach them to someone else. When the source challenges you with mastering the CUET 2026 strategy guide, it is challenging you to become an absolute authority over your own preparation process.
Let's put these two paradigms side by side. On one hand, you have basic studying. That's just reading textbooks, maybe taking a few notes, and kind of hoping for the best. On the other hand, you have the highly intentional approach derived from our source text, which is using a dedicated strategy guide. Basic studying is totally reactive. It happens when you happen to remember to do it. Using a strategy guide, though, that's proactive. It means you're actively following a structured blueprint designed specifically for the complex architecture of the CUET 2026 exam. It's a total game changer. Section 3. The path to mastering and unpacking the guide. Based on the precise language of our source text, aiming for mastery practically boils down to 3 foundational elements. Number 1, long-term vision. You absolutely must keep your eyes fixed on 2026, never losing sight of that ultimate goal. Number 2, structured planning. Your weeks and months have to be completely mapped out. And number 3, guided execution. This last one is massive, honestly. You don't just make a plan, you execute it by strictly following a proven methodology. Why does this matter so much? Because decision fatigue is real. Following a guide eliminates that daily panic of, wait, what should I study today? And prevents the kind of burnout that derails so many ambitious students. These 3 elements are essentially the gears of a machine that's going to drive you straight to success.
Section 4, how to prepare effectively and taking action.
I want to ask you a question, and I want you to be completely honest with yourself right now. Are you preparing, or are you just reading? Think about your current habits for a second. Reading is just passive absorption. Preparing is active engagement. Preparing means testing yourself, finding your weak points, adjusting your tactics, and moving forward deliberately. If you are really going to conquer CUET 2026, you absolutely must transition from being a passive reader to an active preparer. And this brilliantly illustrates the necessary evolution of your study habits. Step 1. Acknowledge the target. And let's be super clear, Step 1 isn't just writing 2026 on a sticky note and slapping it on your monitor. It means really accepting the gravity of the deadline and reverse engineering your time. Step 2. Adopt a strategic framework. You have to shift your mindset from just checking off daily tasks to actually executing a long-term strategy. Step 3. Utilize a dedicated guide. Look, you don't have to reinvent the wheel here. Just rely on the expert blueprint designed to get you there safely and efficiently. Let's return to the exact subtitle from the source for a second. How to Prepare for CUET Exam 2026. The phrasing, how to prepare, frames this entire endeavor as an active, ongoing puzzle. It's not just a single question you answer once and forget about. It's a definitive methodology you literally have to wake up and apply every single day. The strategy guide is basically the answer key to that puzzle, showing you exactly how to prepare when the path starts feeling overwhelming. Section 5. Your strategy guide awaits. And the ultimate solution. Let's move to our final concept and see how this all builds together. On one side, you have the impending exam. It's a massive, complex challenge that is going to test your knowledge, your endurance, and your critical thinking. It's basically the ultimate antagonist in your academic journey right now. But on the other side, perfectly balancing the scales, we have the strategy guide. The guide acts as your indispensable mentor. It breaks down the insurmountable into the manageable. It balances the entire equation, giving you the exact tools required to face that massive challenge with absolute confidence. Which leaves us with this final, crucial thought. 2026 is coming. The calendar is going to keep turning whether you are ready for it or not. The source material has clearly laid out the framework. It requires mastery, it requires a guide, and it requires deliberate, active preparation. So the only question left for you as a focused learner is simply this: what is your strategy? Take what we've unpacked today, embrace the mindset of a master, and start building your path to success right now. Thank you for joining me for this explainer, and I wish you absolute clarity in your preparation.